In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a field in Airtable. Adding a new field is one of the basic building blocks of working with Airtable. And once you understand it, you can customize your base to match exactly what you're trying to track. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. This is the main home screen you see after you log in, where all your bases are displayed. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can see your workspace and bases. Next, choose the base where you want to add a new field. A base is like a project or a database for a specific topic. For example, your content calendar, a CRM, or an inventory tracker. Click on the base so it opens up and shows you the grid view with your existing tables and columns. Inside the table, move your attention to the far right side of your columns. At the end of your last column, you'll see a small plus icon. This icon is how you add a brand new field. Hover over it and click the plus icon. This tells Airtable you want to create another column in your table. As soon as you click it, Airtable will open a panel or menu that shows you a range of field types to pick from. These might include single line text, long text, attachment, checkbox, single select, multiple select, number, date, and more. The goal here is to choose the type that best matches the kind of data you want to store. For example, use a single select if you want people to choose one option from a list, or a date field if you're tracking deadlines. Once you've decided on the type of field you need, click on that field type. Airtable will now show you the field settings, starting with the field name at the top. In the name box, type in the name of your new field. Try to make it descriptive and clear so anyone using the base understands what should go there, like status, due date, or assigned to. You can also quickly review any basic options that appear for that field type, such as available choices for select fields. When you're happy with the name and settings, click on the Create Field button. Airtable will add this new column to your table immediately, and you're ready to start entering data